Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create both a drop-down menu and an advanced mega menu inside your WordPress site using Elementor and the FlexiPress theme. Let's jump right in. First, let's start with the basics. How to create a simple drop-down menu the WordPress way. Step 1. Go to your WordPress dashboard and head over to Appearance then Menus. Step 2. Create a new menu or select an existing one. For this demo, I'm going to create a new one and call it a custom menu. Step 3. Now, to create a drop-down menu, first, start by adding a few top-level menu items and the sub-menu items you want. Once they're added to your menu list, simply drag a sub-menu item slightly to the right, underneath a top-level item, and that turns it into a drop-down. This automatically makes it a sub-menu item. Repeat the process if you want more sub-menus. WordPress handles the structure automatically. Let's take a look at the outcome. Here you can see how the drop-down menu looks live on the website. So when you view your site, you'll have a clean, working drop-down menu. And that's it. That's how easy it is to create drop-down menus using WordPress and FlexiPress theme. Perfect. Now, let's move on to the exciting part, creating a mega menu in FlexiPress. Select the menu item where you want the mega menu to appear. Step 2. Here, FlexiPress gives you a special option. Simply check the box that says Enable Mega Menu. Step 3. You'll also see a field to enter the number of columns you want in your mega menu. For example, if you want a 3-column mega menu, just enter 3. Right here on the screen, you'll see a checkbox that lets you show or hide the column heading inside the mega menu. You can turn it on or off, depending on whether you want those headings to appear above each column. Step 4. Now, create 3 submenu items directly under that main menu item. Each submenu item will act like a column header. Step 5. Under each of these columns, you can drag and drop additional sub-menus. Think of it like building a multi-level menu. First level, columns. Second level, menu items under each column. Something I really love about the FlexiPress theme is you can actually add WordPress sidebars inside your mega menu columns. That means you can drop in widgets like images, custom links, categories, even recent posts, which makes your mega menu way more dynamic and super useful for your visitors. And like I mentioned earlier, you can make your mega menu even more dynamic by adding WordPress widgets inside the columns. To show you how easy it is, I'm going to add an image as an example, using the WordPress image widget. Alright, so here's what I'm doing. I'm just dragging the image widget right into any custom sidebar. Then I either upload a new image or pick one from the media library. Once that's done, I just go back and select the same sidebar in the mega menu settings. And that's it. This way, you can showcase banners, promotions, product categories, or anything you want right inside your mega menu. And now, check this out. Here's the mega menu in action. You can see the multi-column layout, super organized, and it looks amazing on desktop. If you need more columns, no problem. You can easily add them anytime, just like I'm doing right now. But that's not all. FlexiPress also gives you a fully responsive mobile menu out of the box. When you click the mobile menu icon at the top right corner, the mobile menu slides in smoothly. and if your menu items have submenus. When you click on a parent menu item, the submenu will slide in beautifully as a second-level panel. All you have to do is set a menu for the Mobile Navigation location from the Menus page. It feels fast, clean, and it's super intuitive for users on smartphones and tablets. So whether your visitors are on desktop, tablet, or mobile, your menus are always looking sharp and working perfectly with FlexiPress. And that's how easy it is to create both a simple drop-down menu and a powerful mega menu using Elementor and FlexiPress. Super flexible, super visual, exactly how modern WordPress should be. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more WordPress and Elementor tips. Got questions about building your perfect menu? Drop them in the comments. I'm here to help.